Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to talk about the Suez Canal crisis that is going on right now. We are going to study about the history and geopolitics of Suez Canal, and also we are going to understand about the crisis that currently is going on. So when we talk about the Suez Canal, it's an artificial sea level waterway which is in Egypt. ओके सुएज कैनाल कहाँ पर एक आर्टिफिशियल सी लेवल वाटरवे है थ्रू विच ट्रेड एक्टिविटीज टेक प्लेस एंड इट इज इन इजिप्ट एंड इट कनेक्ट्स द मेडिटेरेनियन सी टू द रेड सी ओके तो यहाँ पर अफ्रीका और एशिया को डिवाइड करते हुए सुएज कैनाल मेडिटेरेनियन सी को रेड सी से जोड़ता है थ्रू द इस्थमस ऑफ सुएज ओके डिवाइडिंग अफ्रीका एंड एशिया दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ये ना आपका प्रीलिम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रीलिम्स एंड दिस सुएज कैनाल वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड बिटवीन 1859 and 1869 under the Ottoman Empire by the Suez Canal Company, which was officially formed in 1858. Okay, yeah. Now this particular canal it offers watercraft a more direct route between North Atlantic and Northern Indian Oceans via the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. So it avoids the South Atlantic and Southern Indian Oceans, which reduces the journey distance from the Arabian Sea to London. Okay, that point you have to remember. So the class PDF will be uploaded on a Telegram channel. Let's start discussing the crisis right now. So what is the issue? Why it has been in news? ये news में क्यों है? Issue क्या है? ये समझ लेते हैं. ठीक है? What is the issue right now? So over here you can understand that there is a large cargo ship, the name of which is Ever Given. It got stuck near the southern end of the Suez Canal due to the mishap caused by bad weather. I'll show you the image also of the ship. Here this is the image of the ship. Okay, ये ship का image है. ठीक है? So over here this is a very giant container ship which has blocked the Suez Canal. Okay, and over here it remains unclear when the vessel will be refloated. But this is the Suez Canal which is getting blocked by this container ship. ये Suez Canal जो है आप देखोगे पाथ ये blocked हो रखा है अभी इस container ship की वजह से. ठीक है? So the Suez Canal has been blocked after a large cargo ship ran aground and got stuck sideways across the canal, blocking the path of other ships waiting to cross through on both sides. And this blockage has already led to a long queue of vessels waiting to cross the canal. There are other vessels also in the Suez Canal which are waiting to cross this canal, but this blockage is posing as a hurdle. ये blockage जो है बाकी ships को भी नहीं cross करने दे रहा है. The Suez Canal is a critical shipping artery that connects Mediterranean and the Red Sea through Egypt. So we'll have a look at the image also. तो Mediterranean Sea इधर आप देख सकते हो and here we have Egypt. ठीक है Mediterranean Sea को ये Suez Canal जो Egypt में है Red Sea से जोड़ता है. Over here we have the Red Sea. Okay, and Egypt, which is heavily dependent on revenues from this canal, is now diverting ships to an older channel to minimize the disruption to global trade. But this block has already led to a long queue of vessels waiting to cross the canal. And this is a human-made waterway. It is one of world's most heavily used shipping lanes, which carries over 12% of the world trade by volume. It was built in the year 1869 and it provides a major shortcut for ships moving between Europe and Asia, who before its construction had to sail around Africa to complete the same journey, right? But now through Suez Canal their time can be saved. So why is the Suez Canal blocked? The vessel blocking Suez is Evergreen, which is a Panama registered container ship that is on its way to Rotterdam, which is in Netherlands from China. And this vessel, which is 400-meter long and 59-meter wide, it got stuck here due to a mishap caused by bad weather. That is the issue. So what kind of question they can ask you? Question can be elaborate upon the events that led to the Suez Canal crisis in 1956. So in 1956 also a crisis took place in Suez Canal. How did it lead to a final blow to Britain's self-image as world power? Discuss the relevance of Suez Canal in the contemporary times. So you have to study the history of Suez Canal because the crisis of 1956 can also be asked in GS paper 1. आपका 1956 का जो Suez Canal का crisis हुआ था वो भी पूछा जा सकता है because at that time there was Cold War which was going on. So Suez Canal crisis. It started on October 29, 1956 when Israeli armed forces pushed into Egypt towards the Suez Canal after the Egyptian president Gamal Abdel Nasser nationalized the canal. इट्स अ वेरी वैल्यूएबल वाटरवे. ठीक है, यूरोप का जो ट्रेड है ऑयल का, वो 2/3 ट्रेड ये कैनाल जो है कंडक्ट कराता है, कंट्रोल करता है. ठीक है, जहां पर 1956 में इजरायली आर्म्ड फोर्सेस ने एंटर करने की कोशिश की थी सुएज कैनाल के थ्रू इजिप्ट में. ओके, एंड इजिप्ट इमर्ज्ड विक्टोरियस इन दिस क्राइसिस. इस क्राइसिस में इजिप्ट जो था वो जीता था. एंड द इजराइलीज वर सपोर्टेड बाय फ्रेंच एंड द ब्रिटिश फोर्सेस. दैट इज व्हाई व्हेन द इजिप्ट वन दिस पर्टिकुलर battle, the British forces, their self image as world power, it handled, or you can say it faced a final blow. फाइनली ब्रिटिश फोर्सेस की जो पावर है, जो दबदबा है, वो नीचे आया था जब इजिप्ट जीत गया था इस बैटल में. Okay, so this 1956 crisis is also very important to study. When we talk about Suez Canal, it is located in Egypt. The artificial sea level waterway was built between 1859 and 1869, and it links the Mediterranean and the Red Sea. And it offers the shortest route between Atlantic Ocean and lands around the Indian and Western Pacific Oceans, that you have to remember. Shortest route provide करता है ये Atlantic Ocean और Western Pacific Ocean के बीच में. Busiest waterway है, इसीलिए अभी जो ship यहाँ पर फंसी हुई है, जो vessel फंसा हुआ है, उस वजह से trade disrupt हो रहा है. ठीक है, and the canal continues to be the lifeline for all trade between West and East, as 10% of global trade passes through it every year. 10% of the global world trade. So it is the first canal that directly links the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, and it was opened for navigation in the year 1869. Navigation के लिए, ट्रेड के लिए इस कैनाल को ओपन किया था 1869 में. ओके, ऐसा ही क्राइसिस, ऐसा तो नहीं बट यस, एक स्विस क्राइसिस हुआ था 1956 में भी, जो हमने पढ़ा है अभी, व्हेन द इजरायली फोर्सेस सपोर्टेड बाय द फ्रेंच एंड द ब्रिटिश फोर्सेस वर ट्राइंग टू एंटर इजिप्ट. द कैनाल वाज क्लोज्ड 5 times in history. ओके, पिछले 8 साल में 5 बार इस कैनाल को बंद किया गया था. सो राइट नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ लॉन्गेस्ट एवर एक्सीडेंटल क्लोजर ऑफ सुएज कैनाल. सुएज कैनाल का एक accidental closure हुआ था, and it was from 1957 till 1975. What was the impact of that closure? Let us understand. As I've told you that this canal is the busiest canal, it's the busiest waterway, right? It supports 10% of the global world trade. So because of the closure, there was blocking of all traffic. Then stress on global supply chain. Over 200 ships were struck on both sides of the canal, putting stress on global supply chains. Increased oil prices. India biggest importer है Suez Canal के through. So that is why our trade, our import was also, our trade flow was also impacted, right? And global dependency on this narrow waterway, it impacted the trade flow of other countries as well. So this was the impact of the closure of Suez Canal. Suez Canal acts as a very important channel of trade between various countries, and countries which are connected through only this canal, they are impacted more, or you can say the impact is bigger for those countries. So you can say that primarily it is it is benefiting the sea trading parts of Mediterranean countries. जितनी भी Mediterranean countries हैं, उनका जो sea trading power है वो impact होता है अगर सुएज कैनाल में किसी भी तरीके का blockage आता है, right? So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Now before we wind up this session, here's a small announcement for all of you. Session wind up करने से पहले एक छोटा सा announcement है. Unacademy has launched UPSC CSE mega subscription offer, which is valid till March 31st, 2021. So here, if you take your 1-year subscription today, before March 31st, 2021, if you take your 1-year subscription, you will be getting subscription of 1 year plus 4 months, or till prelims 2022, whichever is later, right? तो आपको जुलाई 31st 2022 तक का सब्सक्रिप्शन तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, प्लस आपको अगर प्रीलिम्स पोस्टपोन हो जाता है तो जब तक प्रीलिम्स 2022 का नहीं होता तब तक ये सब्सक्रिप्शन एक्सटेंडेड रहेगा. यू आर गेटिंग एक्स्ट्रा एक्सटेंडेड 1-year Unacademy subscription, which is valid till prelims 2022. So the courses are getting started on 31st March 2022. हमारे पास यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, we have courses for 2022 examination also, we have courses for 2023 examination also, and all these courses are starting from 31st March 2021. So make sure that you take your subscription today. उम्मीद करती हूँ आप आज के आज अपना सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लेंगे. एंड ऑल्सो यूज कोड अर्पिता10 टू गेट 10% direct discount on your plus subscription. I've given you the link in the description box below the video. You can use that this particular code to subscribe today. Get your subscription fast, jaldi se le lijiye before 31st March 2021 in order to avail this offer given by Unacademy. On this note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everybody for participating in the class.